Let me show you how to find your comment history on Instagram. Whether you want to delete all your comments or just go back and see some of your old comments, I'll show you how to see them all. Now, first, just open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. And let's say if you leave a comment on a specific post, like hi or something like that, you can always just go back to the comments. You'll be able to see that comment. I can press and hold on it. I can reply, like, or delete it, etc. However, let's say you don't know where that post is anymore. You can see all of your comments by tapping on your profile and then getting into your settings. After you're in your settings, all you need to do is choose your activity. This will show you your likes, comments, reposts. All we need to do is tap on comments here, and you'll be able to see all of those comments sorted newest to oldest. But I can always just switch this oldest to newest if I want to see some of my older comments. Now, on any of these, I can always just tap on that comment. And again, from this very old comment years ago, I can press and hold. I can choose to reply, like, add to story, or delete it if I wanted to.